Hi, my name is Joel Bermudez, and this is my Raised By poem. I was raised by Bible-thumping, Pentecostal, guitar-playing, folksy singing, boisterous partying, Puerto Rican cooking, salsa dancing kind of family. Kind and beautiful Latina, friends jealous of her home cooking, family-loving, church-going, had 11 kids with my pops, also Latino, come over here, let me scratch your back, food piled on my plate type of mother. Man of his word, honesty is the best policy, stern yet loving, hard-working, taught himself how to read and write, farm-working, family and church-loving yet open-minded type of father. Donna Summer singing, make sure your hair is brushed, OCD list checking, my house is a mess yet pretty immaculate, leading not following type of sisters. Elvis impersonating, hard-working, business-owning, die-hard Eagles fanatics, family always first, protective of little bro type of brothers. Music, art, love, culture, community-oriented, Spanish, English, Spanglish speaking, proud Puerto Rican, proud American, unconditionally loving and supportive kind of men and women. I was raised by family.